Some people find it really hard to control their temper and do not know how to channel it in a healthy way. Sometimes, anger can be good for you if it is expressed in a healthy way. Emotional mismanagement, which is dealing with issues such as anger, anxiety, frustration, jealousy, can lead to the total self-destruction of the person. Slowly but surely, these negative emotions can start chipping away at our mental peace if we do not find proper ways to deal with it. When a person allows themselves to get angry, then they are putting themselves at a disadvantage. Anger tends to lead to poor choices, damaged relationships, and eventually regret. There are two main areas of the brain which are especially prone to the negative effects of cortisol, which is the prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus. The PFC is responsible for setting goals, and the hippocampus is responsible for our memory. Suppression of the hippocampus in any form can affect and interfere with our short-term memory. The stress hormone cortisol is responsible for this, which is caused when someone gets angry. Excess amounts of cortisol can reduce serotonin levels, which are responsible for happiness and stability. Anger changes the body, and that is a known fact. And in most cases, the stress hormones are responsible. When there are excess amounts of adrenaline and cortisol, it can have a seriously negative impact on your health. Stress hormones affect our cardiovascular systems the most, and they affect the most physically damaging aspect of anger is on your cardiac health. Chris Aiken, MD, an instructor in clinical psychiatry at the Wake Forest University School of Medicine and director of the Mood Treatment Center in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, believes that in the 2 or 3 hours after an anger episode, the chance of having a heart attack is double. If you are one of those who tends to get angry frequently, you will notice how you also tend to feel sick quite often. A study conducted by the Harvard University for Healthy People found that even thinking of a past angry experience can cause a 6-hour dip in the levels of the antibody immunoglobulin A, the cell's first line of defense against infection.